Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. The age of most ancient geological formation is estimated by answer is C4 method. Which tax is levied by the union and collected and appropriated by the states? Answer is stamp duties. Ban Ki-moon, the Secretary General of UNO, belongs to which country? Answer is South Korea. Which layer of the atmosphere provides ideal conditions for flying of jet aeroplanes? Answer is stratosphere. In which state Gautama Buddha had attained Mahaparinirvan? Answer is Malaya. Most of the plants obtain nitrogen from the soil. In which form? Answer is nitrates. Who is the father of local self-government in India? Answer is Lord Ripon. If the temperature inside a room is increased, what will be the relative humidity? Answer is decrease. Which constituents of the atmosphere causes greatest changes in climate and weather? Answer is water vapor. Who was the last ruler of Shunga dynasty? Answer is Devabhuti. What was the pen name of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay? Answer is Kamalakant. Which is not a direct tax? Answer is tax on entertainment. Which fungus is responsible for disease late blight of potato? Answer is Phytophthora infestans. Which type of forest belt supplies most of the world's requirement of newsprint? Answer is coniferous forest. Who were the first to establish trade contacts with the Roman Empire? Answer is Tamilians. With which Amendment Act has Panchayat Raj received constitutional status? Answer is 73rd. Which polymer is used for making bulletproof material? Answer is polyethylene. Man, the maker of his own destiny, book was written by which person? Answer is Swami Vivekananda. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? Answer is USA. Which petroleum refinery product has the lowest boiling point? Answer is gasoline. In which policy India opted for mixed economy? Answer is Industrial Policy of 1948. In which state has India's largest private sector seaport been commissioned recently? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. By whom the Shahnama was written? Answer is Firdausi. What is the distance between popping crease and stumps on cricket pitch? Answer is 3.5 feet. By whom was gene first isolated? Answer is Hargobind Khurana. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the longest national highway in India? Answer is NH7. In which region of India was the Suhrawadi order of Sufism popular? Answer is Punjab and Sindh. By which impact nuclear fission is caused? Answer is neutron. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer is Junko Tabi. What is the task of the Planning Commission? Answer is preparation of the plan. How many pin code zones are divided in the country? Answer is 8. By whom was the Bhakti movement first organized? Answer is Ramananda. By whom was insulin discovered? Answer is Dr. Frederick G. Banting. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? Answer is about 3 years since December 9th, 1946. Which is purest form of iron? Answer is wrought iron. Automatic approval up to 51% in the infrastructure CT was given in which year? Answer is 1991. During which reign was the East India Company founded in London? Answer is Akbar. Which climatic type suffers change due to shifting of the world's pressure belts? Answer is monsoon. Who is considered to be the father of Ayurveda? Answer is Charaka. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.